Yo. Got another unboxing. Trying to figure out why they sent this humongous box for one pair of shoes, but oh well. We'll take it. So, it's a whole lot of filler there. Box is well protected. So this is what we got. The Nike Shox Gravity. It's a pretty big box. I guess because it got big feet. So I found these online for super duper cheap. And I wanted to try them out. See how they are. Size 14 Nike Shox Gravity. Pretty nice. My camera right there. I had my big hand over the camera, so it was dimming. Got some decent traction on the bottom. I don't know how comfortable these are, but that's something we're going to find out. So, you know, you got your drawstring shoestrings there. This is just plastic right here, so I don't know how much actual comfort that's going to be. But, you know, we'll see about that. There's the new revamped Nike Shox Gravity. And we got a bonus. This came early. This was scheduled to be here Monday. And we got it today. So bear with me for a second. These, as you can tell by the box, are a Nike ID. So gotta slide these out of there. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you got one hand and one camera. It's like that. So, obviously I made these online in light of the new signing in LA. So that we have the Lakers edition of the LeBron Soldier. So, oh wow, this isn't working out. So here we go. Get that together. One time for the people. So you see me? Now, I did the toe black because I just did not want an all gold shoe. I just saw the dirt and muck that would just destroy the front of the shoe when I played in it. So that's why I decided to make the toes black. I think it turned out pretty well, you know. Laker representation. Don't think that's bad at all. So there you have it. The Nike Shox Gravity and the LeBron Lakers edition Soldier.